I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock wheels chrome in GTA. First, drive your chosen vehicle to any Los Santos Customs location found across the game map. Once inside, open the customization menu and select the wheels category. From there, you will need to choose stock rims to ensure you are modifying the original wheels. Finally, move to the color option to prepare for the chrome application. Now, within the color options, scroll through the available paint types until you find chrome. This distinct metallic finish will give your stock wheels a brilliant, reflective look. Once selected, confirm your choice to apply it. Be aware that this premium paint job usually costs approximately $5,000 in-game dollars, so ensure you have enough currency before proceeding with the purchase. When customizing, remember that chrome is a very popular and visually striking option that stands out. It pairs exceptionally well with various body colors, from matte black to vibrant metallics, creating a truly unique aesthetic for your ride. This specific customization is available for nearly all personal vehicles you own. Feel free to experiment with different stock wheel designs to find your perfect combination. After applying the chrome finish, simply exit the Los Santos Customs menu to finalize and save your modifications. Now, take your vehicle for a spin and admire the stunning new chrome wheels as they reflect the in-game environment. You can proudly showcase your uniquely customized ride to friends or other players, demonstrating your personal style. This straightforward upgrade truly elevates your vehicle's overall aesthetic appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.